Welcome to this mindfulness activity with our focus on sound. So whether you are laying down or seated, just noticing your breathing. Closing the eyes, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe. Noticing the length of your inhale, the length of your exhale. No need to change your breathing unless you choose to do so. Whether that's breathing in that little bit more deeply and lengthening your exhale is up to you. It may be creating a longer pause between your inhale and exhale. Noticing the sound of your breath. So it's engaging gently the muscles more in your throat as you inhale and exhale. Relaxing your body. So this is all prepping us for the mindful activity. And you can do this in a round of breath, in one inhale, one exhale. You can just notice your breath, relax the body, and then you're there. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer. So relaxing your body. You might just relax the shoulders more. Just soften the belly. And we begin. So as you continue to either sit or lay, mindful of your breathing, just notice if you can hear any background noises. Notice them, but not give them any attention, not analyze them, not go down that train of thought. Just notice them. Could be the sound of a bird, birds, could be traffic noise, could be voices. The noises come and go. Noises come and go. The sound of the bird is not there 24/7. The sound of the traffic is not there 24/7. Might be people passing by. They come, they go. So it's noticing the noises, if there are any, noticing those noises and letting them come and letting them go, or letting them be just as they are. Without going down that train of thought of having to think about that noise any more than just acknowledging it. It's just observing the noises. And returning to noticing your breath, maybe the sound of your breath, maybe a wind chime, maybe the breeze in the trees, could be the sound of insects, could be that dull noise in the background of a fridge or an aircon. So as the noises come and go, so can our thoughts come and go. They come, they go. They come, they go. Just as one exhale follows the inhale, we have the in-breath, the in, the observation, the awareness, and on the exhale, the letting go, the releasing. Not needing to hang on to the thought or that in-breath, just flowing from one to the next. So as you continue to be still, be mindful of your breathing, be mindful of noises that are coming and going in your space, I'm going to up the ante a little, and I'm going to read a few paragraphs and it's like you notice what I'm reading, but you return to your breathing. Finding your own sit spot and visiting it to sit in quiet, in contemplation of the seasons, day in and day out, is a wonderful and grounding way to be calmed, delighted and refreshed by nature. A sit spot is a place somewhere out of doors, perhaps on a rock, a corner in your garden, a chair on your veranda, a park bench, under a shady tree on grass, under a shady tree on sand. Your sit spot can be the place that you go to often and regularly to sit. Where is your sit spot? While you're sitting, open your senses. Look, listen, feel, smell, and even taste the natural world as it unfolds all around you. Let it fill you, then go about your day. The perfect sit spot is close to your work or home. It can be a place where you can get to quite quickly, spontaneously, as you are then more likely to maintain the sit spot practice. It is close to nature. It doesn't have to be a lot of nature. If you live in an apartment building, you can create a sit spot on your veranda. Or have a commitment to spend more time in the park across the road. It's important to be able to expand your senses and let go of your thinking to really let nature in. It is safe. You will need to relax and shift your focus away from your thoughts and the doing of life and just observe what's going on around you. Some people like to write or draw in their sit spot. Maybe just close your eyes, breathe in, and then open your eyes and notice what's around you. Notice from day to day, from visit to visit, what you see, what's different from the last time you sat there, what's the same. Listen to the sounds around you, to the birds, to the breeze, to the voices. What can you smell? How are you going with focusing on your mindful breath? As you were hearing the words, noticing them, but not necessarily engaging with them. It's a really good practice to sit and notice the sounds around us without reacting, because it's giving us the ability, the skill to then notice our thoughts without reacting and choosing which ones we give our attention to and which ones we let go. So to close this mindfulness activity, I'll be creating this beautiful wind chime sound. For you to notice as you follow your breath. Follow the rise and fall of your chest and your belly. And if any thoughts do come to you, return your focus back to the sound of the chime. and returning to the sound of your breath and the sounds in the background of your space. Thank you.